I just had my first scan and they already like seen the heartbeat. Shit. I've just been crying like a little bitch. It kind of felt like weird, you know, being pregnant and saying like, oh, there's a baby inside of me. It kind of felt like just talking into kind of thin air, I don't know. But it's like I just not very big at all, but see, it's hard. Just made it real. I'm happy. I'm just emotional because it just felt like it was never gonna happen, you know? And then even feeling nauseous, feeling different. It's like, yeah, I'm definitely pregnant and something's definitely going on because I feel different. Everything smells weird. But it's just like, just the scan just hit like it's real, it's really happening. Like, yeah, I can still, I can't even say it. I could still like miscarriage and try not to think about that. God, I'm a mess and I'm tired and I'm happy. I can't stop crying. I didn't expect for them to pick up a heartbeat. So it just like shocked me and like just, I don't know. I just randomly wake up and made pasta because I was really nauseous and I was just like, I really crave pasta. And I had an appointment today. And then I had some vegetarian sushi, so it was obviously no raw meat, no raw fish. And I went and got some stuff from Coles and then I went to sleep. I was tired and then Graham woke me up because it was time to go to the scan and I was like, so tired. And I'm just like, maybe I could reschedule, but I'm glad it didn't. I'm glad it went. I might be more emotional because I'm so tired, but it's just, it almost just didn't, I just can't believe I'm pregnant. And it's crazy. Sorry.